Feeling stressed? Looking for a natural way to unwind? Yoga might be just what you need. In today's video, we'll guide you through some simple yet powerful yoga poses that can help you relieve stress and tension, all from the comfort of your own home. These poses are perfect for both beginners and experienced yogis alike. So, grab your mat, find a quiet space, and let's get started on this journey to calm and relaxation. Yoga is not just about flexibility and fitness. It's a powerful tool for managing stress, calming the mind, and releasing tension stored in the body. By focusing on deep breathing and mindful movement, yoga can help activate the body's relaxation response, lowering your heart rate and reducing the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. In this video, we'll be covering 6 simple yoga poses that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Pose 1. Child's Pose. We begin with Child's Pose, or Balasana, one of the most grounding and calming poses in yoga. This pose helps you stretch your lower back, hips, and thighs while encouraging deep breathing. Start by kneeling on your mat, with your big toes touching and knees spread apart. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward, lowering your forehead to the ground. Breathe deeply, allowing your chest to sink closer to the floor. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on your breath. As you hold Child's Pose, allow your breath to slow down. Imagine releasing any stress or tension with each exhale. This pose is especially great for relaxing after a long, busy day. Pose 2. Cat-Cow Stretch. Next, we move into the cat-cow stretch, which is great for easing tension in the spine and shoulders. This gentle flow between two poses helps improve flexibility and encourages deep, rhythmic breathing. Begin on all fours, with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone toward the ceiling. This is cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, drawing your belly toward your spine and tucking your chin. This is cat pose. Continue flowing between these two positions for 1 to 2 minutes, coordinating your movements with your breath. Focus on your breath as you flow through cat-cow. With each movement, imagine releasing tension from your spine and creating space in your body. Pose 3. Standing Forward Bend. Now let's move into a standing forward bend, or Uttanasana. This pose is wonderful for relieving stress by gently stretching the hamstrings, calves, and back. It also helps calm the mind by encouraging blood flow to the brain. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and knees slightly bent. Inhale and lift your arms overhead, then exhale as you fold forward from your hips. Allow your arms to hang, or gently grab opposite elbows, and relax your neck. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply and letting your body melt into the stretch. As you breathe in standing forward bend, focus on letting go of any mental stress. With each exhale, feel your body release tension and become more relaxed. Pose 4. Legs Up the Wall. One of the most relaxing poses you can do for stress relief is Legs Up the Wall, or Viparita Karani. This restorative pose helps improve circulation, calm the nervous system, and promote deep relaxation. Sit next to a wall and lie on your back, with your legs extended up the wall. Scoot your hips as close to the wall as is comfortable, with your legs straight or slightly bent. Relax your arms by your sides, palms facing up, and close your eyes. Stay in this position for 3 to 5 minutes, breathing deeply. Let gravity do the work in this pose. Focus on your breath and allow yourself to fully relax, feeling the tension melt away with each exhale. Pose 5. Seated Forward Fold. Next, we move into Seated Forward Fold, or Paschimottanasana, a gentle stretch that helps calm the nervous system and relieve stress in the body. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale, lengthening your spine, and then exhale as you fold forward, reaching for your feet or shins. Keep your spine long and neck relaxed, and hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. Allow your body to surrender into the stretch, focusing on your breath. With each inhale, lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, feel your body soften into the fold. Pose 6. Corpse Pose. We'll finish our practice with Savasana, or corpse pose, the ultimate relaxation pose in yoga. This pose allows your body and mind to fully relax and integrate the benefits of your practice. Lie flat on your back, with your arms by your sides and palms facing up. Let your legs relax and your feet fall open naturally. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, letting go of any remaining tension. Stay in this pose for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing yourself to fully relax. As you lie in Savasana, focus on your breath and let your body sink into the mat. Allow your mind to be calm and your body to fully relax. This is your time to just be. Conclusion yoga is a powerful practice for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Even just a few minutes a day can make a big difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. We hope these simple yoga poses help you find some peace and calm amidst the busyness of life. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from these simple yoga poses. Stay calm, stay relaxed, and we'll see you in the next video.